This literature kit on Hello Universe by Erin Entrada Kelly provides an excellent set of worksheets that reinforce key concepts and supports student comprehension throughout the novel. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Imagine what Virgil's grand failure is. Explore the significance of names and what it says about a character's personality. Explain how Valencia believes she would survive if she were the only person left on Earth. Describe a recent dream as if seeking advice from Kaori. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating a mind map that includes the qualities of a hero. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Connect character relationships with the constellation map. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.